ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯥ ꯉꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯔꯐꯦꯁ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯅꯤ ꯂꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯗꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯅꯗꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤ ꯅꯤ ꯂꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯗꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯁꯔꯐꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯋꯦꯖ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯥꯔ just like in ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔꯐꯦꯁ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯤꯟ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯖꯔ ꯖꯔ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯕꯣꯏꯜ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯦꯇꯨꯝꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯌꯦꯇꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯕꯣꯏꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯇꯨꯝꯗꯣ ꯂꯨꯞꯇꯅ ꯇꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯒꯦꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯗꯀꯤ ꯑꯞꯄꯔ ꯁꯔꯐꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁ just like a stress membrane ꯑꯃꯗꯧꯅ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯒꯦꯕꯨ ꯁꯔꯐꯦꯁ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ aduna surface tension is the property of the liquid by virtue of which the free surface of the liquid at rest tends to have a minimum surface area and such that it behaves as if covered with a stress membrane to aina ngasai hagibdo stress membrane dongna masi ek tawi aduna surface tension se masi hayeng paikada what is surface tension naina hangaga 1 marks kumba piradi si khumba yare the surface tension je karina onge have the surface tension S is given by force per unit length na p ko aduna surface tension of a liquid is measured as force acting per unit length of an imaginary line drawn on the surface of the liquid at rest aduna surface tension ge SI unit surface tension S is equal to force per unit length haramnina Newton per meter tare dimensional formula adum hotlo ase kai tare ml to the power 0 t to the power minus 2 ko hana mayamam tawgramnina ai ta aroi aduna surface tension aibasi scalar quantity ni ko surface tension aibasi scalar quantity amni kaigino abda because it has no specific direction for a given liquid amgi da mangta magi apiba maikai habadu laitabanina mase scalar quantity ni surface tension da ngasai yetum amada mana surface of water da float tawdo kari dei tawribano habadu yengse hoji to se laire yetum am laire abc yetum ni ma si isingi imaida float tawo matamda magi on either side da force singchana ek tawi sumaina sida sida suto se laire si yetum do ni si masa se magi either side se sumai tawdana ek tawi surface tension na tangentially to the liquid surface da ma se ek tawi the my weight mg na ma makharom da singdai sumaina laire sini aduna hoji phogda haigre surface tension is scalar quantity ni magi specific direction laite sibo haigre adu molecular theory of surface tension take yengu che seisida nangna si diagram si yengsi seisida water molecule ahum khak lawsi a have water molecule ama ko b have ama duga c have ama A have a water molecule sigi magi neighborhood da laiba molecule ama silare ko water molecule A sigi mana akoi bada topa water molecule sing magi hek thangna bada laiminai water molecule sing jina mabu nakan da singi som da laiba water molecule na mabu som da singi som da singi mathak na se singi makharom laibadana sumaina aduna as a whole water molecule A da laigedoriba force of attraction je loina loi manare equalize oire amaga maga aduna nil oire ba maikai khudimang ta loi manana singabanina nil oire aduna ngasai water molecule A habase kaigumba amta mangonda feel tawraroeba mangonda leba total force zero oirabanina equilibrium condition da aduragidi next time water molecule B haiba mamung laurasi sigi B sina magi manakta leba makharom da leba water molecule magi neighbor da leba duna mabu som da chingi som nakanda chingi som da singi som da singbaduga di yanare do mathakta leba di singdrabanina as a whole magi resultant force the downward lom da lairani similarly C eva molecule ama silaire sigi C eva molecule si magi som da singe somga duri balance oigre but som nakanda singdhariba magi neighbor se singdhariba som da singdhaga duriba mayam dona maram morga resultant force to di kai tawre C se manung lom da singdhana bu hotnayeba magi neighbor singsina aduna kai tawre C sina kai gumba C eva molecule sina manam mathak sida lainingba taragadi ma kai dawda gebu ma sa se extra energy ma laijaba taiba manung da sangdana baidamakta khudamoina nang si namanaba ani humna nakan namam da chinge aduga nangna di lepiba mfamdre hongningdre adu itaradi moina chingi badugi against nangna extra energy khara puthokcharaga nang lepiba mfamdre lepkadoineba adumain tawdana si sina masi as it is magi laibham sir lainana baidongta mase they must have an extra energy khara laini ba duna sigi LM haiba si saruk sida laigadoi ba water molecule singse de sigi LM sibu kai kauge bu surface film kawi sigi marakta laigadoi ba water molecule singse they must have an extra energy laigani which is known as surface energy kawi aduna surface energy du laiba maramna mathakta laiba water molecule singsina mathakta lairibani aduga makhoi khudimak se makharom da singdhaningba maramna totally moi masa se they are at a condition of stress tension amada loin laiba aduna uppermost surface of the liquid se acts just like a stress membrane hairine ana hojik yengasi to aina haigibsingdo sida loin yaure nang molecule P ebasi mauta A iro natraga noi P oin semdoke su semdo sise adagi molecule Q sisu experience a net downward force of attraction because the number of molecules in the lower half part of the sphere of influence is more than number in the upper half to see is Q oigadaba ko Q oigera si se nang B en sindokera sindo sini similarly we conclude that all the molecules lying in the surface film experience a net force of cohesion in the downward direction aduna sagi surface film sira laiba molecule khudingmak sida force of cohesion se masi downward direction da loin laire moida ai nga halera cohesion nai do kaino harake ngakta ngai ko solution gi ko thus the molecule on the surface liquid surface have some extra energy in comparison to the molecules in the interior manung da laiba budi ma pan da laiba kangbu di extra energy khara laigani madugi extra energy to bokoina surface energy ena kawe adugi surface energy du phare ngaklerga iloi harake ko in order to attain a stable equilibrium the surface film also tends to have a minimum number of molecule in the surface film adanga saigi mokhoi si stable equilibrium da laina na baidong ta mathak thangba surface se masi mokhoi se minimum surface area laina bo honara I So the surface film should have minimum volume. Minimum volume ama laina bonare in trying to acquire least volume of surface film. Least volume, the surface film tends to contract tawna bonai and they have a least surface area. Quite pick surface area ama laina ba tawrai and behaves as a stress membrane dawna duna ne ba ek tawri do. Mai mathak thang ba se minimum energy lainana ba dongta minimum surface area lainana bo na rai minimum surface area je karam kan laige bu sphere ongi mamai si masi minimum surface area lay aduna mathak thangba akogi surface se masi minimum surface area lainana ba dongta either it may be sphere amagi mamai concave tu oibra natraga convex su oibra adu tawrakani ba khoi minna budi ubangamde adubu sini. In trying to acquire least volume, the surface film tends to contract and they have a least surface area and behaves as a stress membrane sumaina layaba aduna haujik hayeng parikhada kaigum kanda nakhoida tarak liba nong ko raindrop sing natraga khoigi isingi marik singse spherical shape orisi kaigino bo question hangba yai ko noina khumdoi se because of surface tension ani adu surface tension dadi always pot khuding mak mokhoi se minimum volume laina bonai minimum volume ajir karam kanda minimum surface area ko minimum surface area laina bonai minimum surface area je karam kanda phangge habada they are in the form of sphere organ phangi aduna maram oidana makoi taraiba no falling raindrop sing atai singsina ayamana loina mak spherical shape orise adugini ena khunggodaba ko sini hauji surface energy kaino oido mo yengasi kaigo ainga sai gre khwaidagi mathakki sigi aina surface filament tharise masigi mafamsida lairiba water molecule mokoi singse they must have extra energy laigadabani extra energy du madubo khoina surface energy kawi extra energy du kamaina calculate tawi agebu it is defined as the amount of work done duni kamai hot ke da against the force of surface tension in forming liquid surface of given area at constant temperature. Sini in forming in na jiga forming jiga nakna re marakta gap am laigadabni in forming liquid surface of given area at constant temperature da makhoi gi area ama semna bhona bada leiba amount of work done duni surface tension si ko surface energy ki formula de dona kai tawra kai about work done haibani na work done against the force of surface tension and magi value se SI unit joules per meter square ni and the surface tension of a liquid is numerically equal to the surface energy per unit area of the liquid surface. Surface tension equals to surface energy per unit area. Sigamane surface tension equals to work done by surface area. Sumain tawdana koina surface tension ne aduga surface area and work done mokhoi siloi hot pa yai surface film aidi kai neba ainga sai gibdo topmost layer of the liquid at rest to khwai mathak thangba saruk with thickness equals to the molecular range masi kayam chawba lamno bu sigi layer sigi thickness kya no bada thickness equals to the molecular range ki thickness to laiba adum madu bo khoina kai kauge bo surface film maina kauge dana hayeng surface film si kayam chawi adi molecular range khaktani laidoi se ko next yengasi surface tension na maram oidana akoina liquid drop amagi masi ko suppose nang na taraiba nong hairo nong na spherical orisi ai ngasai gra due to surface tension ani aduga magi manungda leiriba raindrop tugi excess pressure p do we can calculate akoi hot pa yai adu hona na bai dong ta ko yengsi aduna one consequence of surface tension is that free liquid drops and bubbles are spherical. If the effect of gravity can be neglected, this is because the pressure inside the spherical drop is more than the pressure outside. Mapan ki pressure da ye manung ki pressure na hen ba maram na koi surface tension gi liquid drop sing se masi spherical oi ribani ado excess pressure si yeng si taraiba nong lik amada magi excess pressure p se is given by kaina p gebu excess pressure inside a liquid drop of radius rc is p equals to twice s by r chine adagidi excess pressure inside a soap bubble akoina sapon gi kongonam gi manung gi excess pressure di kaidoge bu soap bubble se manung da air yaure magi mamai manung gi mamai ama mapan gi mamai ama mamai ani sui aduna p is equal to twice asai gi raindrop gi pressure do adu dai do twice na purira lore na 4 surface tension by r r is radius of the spherical drop to give value ni and excess pressure inside an air bubble in a liquid amada yauba air bubble amgi excess pressure amuk puthoke haragadi kaina muk pigebu the air bubble will have only one free surface inside a liquid so the excess pressure is twice s by r sina air bubble amgi manung da yauba akoi ising manung da leiba air bubble ama mangonda legadaba excess pressure du value du sina p the important conclusion da yengse karigumba air bubble amana prithvi gi ko ising manungda suppose natraga nang swaisida boil am lore glass jar ama haro glass jar du gi makha da air bubble ama bottom da leire madu mahangna sum air bubble do sum ka khale bottom do da gi ma sum ka khale adu noin kari ugani as you go up higher and higher the size of the bubble will be increase continuously bubble do gi size do continuously increase tawani kaigino aina na no khoida so haigre liquid amagi pressure si as you go downward and downward pressure will be more and more liquid ki pressure si di manung da sangjalingai pressure si hen ba maram na ngasai gi air bubble du da pressure du na ek to gi mana bottom da lainga da magi size du pi ami aduga as it goes up higher and higher magi pressure do handare thereby magi size du chaw ba hengale ana when an air bubble of radius r at the depth is below the free surface of a liquid of density rho and surface tension s say the air bubble am laire then the excess pressure inside the bubble is p is equal to twice s by r plus ice rho g smile like an adudi hauzik makha tabada yengasi angle of contact aiba wahema ko nakoi masi khangna na bai damangta ai nakoi namangda diagram pukhalake to se yang se aina glass rod am thame masi isingi ko vessel amada glass rod se thame thamba matamda akoi gi chumna gi mina ubudi ngamoi adurga sunang telescope angi mateng na yenga da dinga sai glass rod sida surface of the water sina smaina concave oina ka khala kanda nappaga laineba ko aduga sigi case ta mercury da organa contact surface si glass rod siga seisida marak sida magina kutharaga napkaneba aduna sumai tawdana koina angle of contact se si maram da haige adubu angle of contact si haidringai mamangda ai wafam amga hairamge ngasai cohesion force of cohesion haibado adu hairamge masi matang se darkar lakani cohesive force haije kaino bu mana ba atom natraga molecule gi marakta chingjannabagi force of attraction buna cohesive force kawi ai hanjana haige the force of attraction between similar atom or molecule is called cohesive force ana si case sida ngasai gi water molecule singsigi marakta chingjanabai force buna force of cohesion kawi cohesive force ko aduga nangi seisida wall se ising hairaba matungda wall gi vessel gi molecule singa water molecule ga marakta chingjannabagi force am laigani madudi manadaba force ki marakta chingjannab water molecule ga container gi molecule singa gi marakta chingjannabai force tubuna manadaba force which is called adhesive force of adhesion adhesive 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 force mana force makalani lai cohesive force and adhesive force haina layeba an seisida sagi wall ko wall gi container gi wall siga water molecule singa ani gi marakta chingjanabai force aina sigi case da haigre ma concave oigani sigi concave oibasida nangna imaginary line ama tangentially chingaba ko concave surface sida adoi tardi the angle between nangi concave surface gi se semiba tangent siga masagi wall siga ani si marakta semiba angle sibu kai kawge angle of contact kai kawge aduna kari it is defined as the angle enclosed between the tangent to the liquid surface at the point of contact and the solid surface inside the liquid sibu koina angle of contact kawi and it is denoted by theta sigi angle sibu to siga tangent siga solid surface kai mark the same angle sibu angle of contact kawi and represented by theta theta na sili ado angle of contact se makhan ani sui sumaina concave surface ke concave oiba mamai the same by angle of contact di my values is 90 yaude masi acute angle oi whereas the nangna mercury da di my contact surface ka magi solid ki surface ka ani mark the same by angle si 90 de heli obtuse oi sumai tawdana aduna concave surface ki di angle of contact si acute ni convex surface ki na angle of contact si obtuse means more than 90 oigani haba ko ana sumai tawdana laire angle of contact se ana hojik nakhoigi mamangda atopa problem ama ai pukhala age munataw noina kaigum kanda noina fanta gumba soft drink sing je thakpa matamda nangna suppose glass ta haire aduga straw ma hape noi singkhatna na ba singkhat nana ba happy ba straw do noina kari uge bada ngasai gi glass ki surface to se uli se glass ki surface ta hairiba liquid to dagi kitang there is a little rise of liquid in the capillary tube manung da khara kakhalakpa liquid ki kakhalakpa uiye ba noina udi uiye do kai gung kan da sunoina kai do woi noi de nong ta khalu de kwa adubu madu kari dei tho ibano aibabu it is because of surface tension ne basira ngasai gi surface of the liquid to dagi straw do da liquid khara kakhalai bado it is because of surface tension ani aduga straw do na magi area cross section do pi ingai ngasai gi rise of the liquid to su hen gani ba straw do na sauri gai name gani straw na pi ingai rise of the liquid to hengalakani masi kari gi thoibano ido hojik yengasi now rise of the liquid in capillary tube ido yengasi se sida no hoina mangda ai sida amohana sida diagram si yengo diagram sida che hojik liquid se rise tawre tawriba sigi da aina tangent jingetu solid surface siga tangent sigi markda semiba angle si let us suppose theta ni se sigi surface tension na somdani magi reaction force r na somda laire ado at any instant r can be resolved into two component in thongna thugai ba ai si se amana sigi magi base rom thugai ba sina r cos theta ado magi perpendicular da se thugai sina r sin theta si laire ana sigi surface tension sina maram oidana sigi uppermost rim sida laigadaba magi reaction force singse na hojik thugaire sigi chap manana somna kanda so r sin theta laire sigi r sigi sida r cos theta laire sigi r cos theta si laire sumain tawdana sigi rim of the liquid surface se sida r cos theta mayam ama asagi magi straw dugi rim du da swai sida loina lairani whereas r sin theta singdi loina to sigi na siga kakrani swai da laibduna asomga kakrani sumain tawdana r sin theta horizontal kudimak loi mangrani ko loin cancel tawgrani aduga r cos theta mayam se masina sigi rim of the straw du da lairabanina mokhoina mathaklom da loi ek tawre adudi ek tawriba mayam do pula punjan ganda r cos theta into che sigi radius na r or di magi circumference di twice pi r ni twice pi r small r into r cos theta si se masina force oraga sidaina sibogi isingji singkhatli neba duna na hojik ma singkhatli badu karigino ido khoi khange maramdi r cos theta mayam sina mathaklom da ek tawre aduna mana singkhatli badu r cos theta into twice pi r na singkhatli bani silaire aduga total upward force siga kanaga mana doiba r cos theta do reaction force nina which will be equals to surface tension s ka mana gani aduna s cos theta into twice pi r si laire to aina explain to jo swai da lo yaure ai haira roi to only component responsible for rising the liquid in the tube is r cos theta which acts along the circumference of the liquid with the tube siga sineba aduna singkhatli se r cos theta na loi singkhatli ni adudi hojik this will be equal to mana singkhatli basi kayam singkhat ngam doiba sigi weight of the liquid rise of the liquid sigi liquid matek si khaki weight to mana neba aduna this will be equal to weight of the liquid in the capillary tube manung da laiba rise of the liquid siga manarani aduna hojik yengasi hojik sidai sida laigadoiba to seisa laigadoiba sigi volume of the liquid se puthoase si volume of the liquid di sigi area cross section di pi r square tare sena sibogi height na h ni aduna sigi matek sigi volume di pi r square into h silaire plus seisida tu sigi matek angkak tu sigi machet songi machet siga watli sigi machet si puthoke de nang ka daware sigi radius r ni sigi sigi hemisphere sima lokthokhradi sigi machet sigi value phangne ba adoi taradi sigi machet sigi value khange di kadau tare pi r square into r ko minus sigi hemisphere sigi tangkhai di half of 4/3 pi r cube tarani aduna hojik volume of the liquid under the meniscus ta laidoi kai no pi r square into r minus half of 4/3 pi r cube si laire adoi di chi nangna solve tau kan da kya tare 1/3 pi r cube tare sini aduna volume of the liquid ai ho jai height is ki volume na si laire plus si ga tarani ano total volume of the liquid si tare and mass of the liquid rise in the tube t m na puri rani ko have mass to mass volume into density ni na mass to khange di volume laire density na rho lore doi tar di pi r square is si laire doi di weight of the liquid rise in the tube se si value si tare aduna masidi center of gravity da act tore liquid column da adudi equilibrium condition da di upward force ka weight of the liquid rise ga manar ne aduna si ani se kam ko si ani se value hapsa long asai gi s cos theta to s pi r si lere aduga nangna height puthok ninge hare height puthok pa yare adagi tension puthok pa yare s se puthok pa yarani si formula se bo khoina SN formula so kawi aduga tube sina yamna khuraga di r/3 se masi neglect tawba yare in comparison with ice ka duna hence ice se kaya ga manahan yare se twice s cos theta by r rho g smain tawdana nangna rise of the liquid in the capillary tube se smain puthokani sigi matang se na angka mayang hot pa yai height puthokpa yai adai surface tension puthokpa yai dagi di surface tension se masi kana da depend tawge do yengasi surface tension si akoi day to day life da yamna koina khangjadabe wani yam sijinai khudamoina nangna kaigom kana no ye ahan singna phido yam mole aduna phido suba matamda ising do lum khar sahallo aduga sapon do thau ka haiba yawi ko adu kai gino bo nang asai gi ising do san ba matam da mai surface tension do increase to holini surface tension do increase to kanda sorry surface tension do handa lini handa la kanda asai gi phi do da yarami ba amot pasing do kok han ga doini phidur yaram ba amot pa singdu kamai ko haliba no ai do ai mo hai ge ngo khoi gi nangna sinai ba surf ko detergent sing sida molecule pin shape molecule sing yawe to se yaw se mo khoi ji pin head ma le to sumai to ya hai ba molecule sing sina kaidoge bo horen nangna ising de hek tha aga nangi amot pa phi do hapchen ganda mo khoi sina amot pa structure sing nangi amot pa soil cloth adugi amot pa part sing do da magi pin shape needle shape sina ek to gani aduga nga sai gi amot pa sing do lothoe that's why nangna phi subada collar guma mot le an khalo nangna sapon collar sapon noi ra kan da subada ko ibado madu kai no bo hariba pin shape ki detergent molecule sing do na ek to holini amot pa pham sing do da sumai to da na surface tension si mazi kana depend taweba temperature da depend tawi temperature increase tawra di surface tension handai temperature na decrease tawra surface tension hengatli adagi ana yengo the contamination of the liquid surface appreciably changes the surface tension aduna highly soluble substance like sodium chloride ordinarily increases the surface tension but sparingly soluble substance like soap reduces surface tension and soap kumbasina surface tension handali value of surface tension depends on temperature temperature da depends the way like viscosity the surface tension of liquid usually falls with temperature angle ga di surface tension handai surface tension je handala kanda ne koina phi sunariba sapon ga hapi surface tension handana bani that's why nang pukri gi singna phi suba budi nong gi singumba aduga toti singna suba dana phi kokpa heli se kaino bu pukri gi sing di surface tension je increase tawi aduna phi kokpa sang halli and application di surface tension की application से amani ay haige ngo kaigum kanda na khoina samudra da nong nungsit yam kanba matamda chatliba jahaz singna mangonda puba thau do adu haidoi ising du da kari dongna ba ngasai oil du na maram mor kanda surface tension ama create tawraga sai wave sing do aduna wang wang na haigat pado handana ba aduna says the surface tension of oil is smaller than that of water, therefore oil spread on water ising the oil du sandoe. This property is used to calm down the stormy waves at sea. Samudra da ithak wang wang lakpado du handana ba ineba moina thau haidu idu. Lubricating oil and the pans have low surface tension so that pans PAINT oigadamni ko PAINT I am hapsalo se wale surface tension se lubricating oil and the pen akhoi phalangi pen tawna bado ko makhoi sing sisu low surface tension oil aduna makhoi sing do low oiba maram na khoina taiba matamda moi spread tawo thurido adai cleansing action of detergent sing sisu based on the fact that they reduce the surface tension of water, I ngasai sigi de high molecules in the pin shape structure or here pin shape. Aduna to say the molecules of the detergent are here pin shape with one end attracted to water and the other end to the molecule of the grease. Nangi amot pado adu du manasing to e. In this way, a sort of water oil interface is formed. Nakoi sapon ga noiba matamda tongana pulap na ngau na kakhatlido adoni water oil interface is formed. This kind of process is important not only for cleansing but also in recovering oil and mineral ore. Mineral ore sing dagi thau recover tawna ba hona ba so haiba processing je seasonable detergent hapaga taweba sumain tawdana surface tension gi application adagi surface tension si kamaina bherai tohon bayai ado ai haigre ko adagi di sidai sida loire ngasi gidi aduna sibauda surface tension da yeng nokhoi da hangyari se nong tarakpada raindrop sing se spherical or si kai gino rise of the liquid ki maram da hang bayai adai angka hang bayai adai variation surface tension ji kari kari na bherai to hon bayai hoje ai haigre temperature na hongan bayai temperature na surface tension ji decrease to hon bayai sodium chloride kuma thakchel ladi ising da surface tension increase to wi adumai to dana nang pukri ising je surface tension hengali ji kai no bu mineral mayam ma dissolve to bai ne adai di surface tension je kai kai da kanai si mayam se noi loin khangjalo aduga next ta mo mathang atopa topic ama itake